Preis der Deutschen Einheit. The Preis der Deutschen Einheit is a Group 3 flat horse race in Germany open to thoroughbreds aged 3 years or older. It is run each year at Hoppegarten over a distance of 2,000 meters, about 1/4 miles. The race is held on German Unity Day Tag der Deutschen Einheit, a public holiday on October 3 commemorating the anniversary of German reunification. History. The event was established in 1991, and it was initially classed at listed level. It was originally sponsored by Zeno Davidoff and alternatively titled the Prix Zeno Davidoff. It was promoted to Group 3 status in 1992. The Preis der Deutschen Einheit has had several different sponsors since the late 1990s, including Volkswagen from 2003 to 2005. Its current period of sponsorship by Westminster Unternehmensgruppe began in 2009. Records. Winners: